Surprise! So if you want to see how I made this cute carrot infused oil, please keep watching and I'll show you how. First of all, I would like to share some of the benefits of carrots. Carrots are rich in essential vitamins such as vitamin A, C, and E. They also contain antioxidants and beta-carotene, which helps to prevent cells degeneration, slows down aging, and protects your skin from UV rays. They also enhance the appearance of your skin tone. Just a little secret, they make your skin to glow. As for the hair benefit, it stimulates hair growth and make your hair roots much stronger. So here I have my freshly peeled and washed carrots. The next thing I'm going to do would be to grate my carrots. You can use a grater just like mine or whatever you have at home. The other option is to use a food chopper. This is much easier and faster, as you can see. Here I have 92 grams of safflower oil and then 68 grams of grated carrot. So I'll be using a beaker here because I want a heat-resistant glass. I'm just going to mix both the carrots and the oil together in the beaker. There's actually no specific measure as to how much you can use, but if you want to follow my exact recipe or have a rough estimate, then there you go. Just make sure your oil is always above your carrots. And for the hair, a lot of people also prefer olive or avocado oil. They're also good. So I'm just going to say the choice is yours. I won't be going into details here on the benefits of those oils. I'll be infusing in a water bath. This method is also known as a double boiler method. Another option is to use a crock pot at the lowest temperature. Meanwhile, don't forget to watch your water bath. You want to make sure to add some water when it's drying out. I'm going to place my mixture into the water bath. I'll let this stay on my stove at the lowest temperature level and let it infuse for 2 days. Here's my fully infused carrot oil. I prefer to use a coffee filter to strain my mixture because I personally think it filters better. You can also use any strainer you have at home. It does the same job, guys. I'm just going to place my oil in a ready-to-use jar and that's it. Your carrot oil is ready for use. Please don't forget to store it in a refrigerator for future use, as the carrots contains water which can make your products go bad. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share to your family or your loved ones or someone who this video might be useful to. Thanks guys. Have a lovely day. Bye.